Our contestants challenge their friends to make some noise.
Are you ready? Get ready for our first round.
It's time to set the challenge sound.
Our first contestant, she's a star.
Hey, chicken, please say ba, ba, ba.
Here
Ready?
we go. Go.
Ba,
Ba!
ba,
Ba!
ba.
Ba!
Stop.
Great job.
Well done.
High fives all round, but can you each make your own sound?
You've played so well.
You've come so far.
Now work together. Moo, cluck, ba. I wonder what will happen.
Here we go. Go.
Cluck! Cluck!
Ba.
Ba.
Moo! Moo!
Stop. That doesn't seem right.
Here we go. Go.
Moo! Moo! Cluck! Cluck!
Ba.
Ba.
Stop.
We've done it again. Go, team, go.
Thank you for coming to our show.
Hello. Who are you? And what can you do?
I am Cow and I can move! I'm so nervous. I've never been in a show before. All I need to do is join in when it's my turn, but I just can't do it.
I think we can help.
Frogs go ribbit. Toads do too. But how does a cow go?
A cow goes.
Here we go. Go.
Moo!
Moo.
Stop.
Hello. Who are you? And what can you do?
I am actually a secret agent, and I need to get into the hen house now. It needs a password.
Why don't we try and work out the password?
Here we go. Go.
Cluck! Cluck!
Stop.
We're in. Next step, the hen house. A double password? We'll never crack that. Maybe I can open it up with my beak.
Or we could think about what worked last time.
Here we go. Go.
Cluck! Cluck!
Stop. That didn't work.
Well, it was worth a try.
Let's try 2 clucks this time.
Here we go. Go.
Cluck! 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 Cluck!
Stop.
Yes, the hen house is open. I just hope I'm in time.
To save the world.
To stop the bad guys?
Nope, to turn my bath off. Now, if you'll excuse me. Bad bath!
Oh, that looks like fun. Can we play?
It's not a game. It's my latest mission. Getting the new lift to go up to the hayloft.
It's dinner time. And my hay is stuck up there.
Here we go. Go.
Cluck! Cluck!
Moo.
Moo!
Stop.
What's happening?
Cow, are you okay? I wonder why the lift went down.
Maybe the order of the sounds is important. Here we go! Go!
Moo! Moo!
Cluck! Cluck!
Stop!
Yes!
That was amazing! I wonder how we bring the lift back down.
Moo then cluck made the lift go up. Maybe the order of the sounds is important. Here we go! Go!
Cluck! Cluck!
Moo! Moo!
Stop!
Much better.
Hello, Secret Agent Chicken!
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to tell Secret Agent Chicken to start the movie, but she can't hear me. Cow, can you help us get Secret Agent Chicken's attention?
Yes!
Here we go! Go!
Moo! Moo!
Stop!
Here we go! Go! Cheer! Way!
Stop!
Here we go! Go!
Stop! That doesn't seem right.
Here we go! Go! Slide!
Stop!
A sliding door. Fancy.
Oh, is it time for the film? Sorry, I got distracted. But now I can do this.
Who knew all we had to do was open the door?
That was much easier than I thought.
I made popcorn for everyone.
You've helped us get our movie night started.
I wonder, what can we do today? I wonder, what might get in the way? If we stop for a minute to think it through, we can give it a go, we'll know what to do. We can make it happen with the Wonderblocks.